SH and TH. SH, sh. TH, th. Learn English phonics. Benchmark, 1st grade, Unit 4, Week 1. Sh. Ack, shack. A shack is a simple little house. Sh. Ed, shed. A shed is a small building where you can store things. Sh. L, shell. Sh. Ock, shock. Ah! Sh. Ip, ship. Sh. Op, shop. Sh. Ut, shut. Ash. Ash is the gray stuff that's left over after you burn wood or other things. K. Ash, cash. B. Ash, bash. Bash means to hit something really hard. You may even break it open. Cr. Ash, crash. Look out! D. Ash, dash. Full. Ash, flash. She'll be back in a flash. G. Ash, gash. Ow. Ol. Ash, lash. Ash, mash. Anybody want mashed potatoes? Ash, rash. It's itchy. S. Ash, sash. A sash is something that goes across the middle of a dress. Ash, trash. Esh, fresh. Anybody want fresh cookies? Esh, mesh. Mesh is a fabric with holes in it. Ush, brush. Ush, gush. Gush means to pour out. Ush, hush, be quiet. Ush, rush. She's in a big rush. Ish, fish. Ish, dish. Ish, wish. Make a wish. Ick, thick. That is a thick burger. In, thin. That is a thin burger. Bath, bath. Ath, math. Ath, path. Cloth, cloth. Cloth is something you use to make clothes. Froth. Froth is something foamy. Bye-bye. See you next time.